Stage 0 is black. Stage 1 is the SOT, and as I move my head forward and back, it's a pretty natural motion as if it's really there. You can see a green screen all the way around. When I go to stage 2, my head tilt works fine, but moving forward and back also moves the SOT forward and back, and so I'm always a fixed distance away from it, even though the angle changes. When I go to stage 3, the SOT is fixed to my head, and so no matter which way I face, it's still there directly in front of me. Stage 4 is a larger version of a room, natural motion, so both X, Y, and Z and all 3 angles work. So it feels like a regular room in virtual reality. I'm going to go to stage 5. Again, angles work fine, but as I move forward, the whole room moves forward. As I move back, the whole room moves back, and so my head is a fixed distance from the wall, which is slightly nauseating. And when I go to 6, the entire room is fixed to my head, and is even slightly more disturbing than stage 3 when the smaller SOT was fixed to my head. All right.